Hello guys, and welcome to another video. Today I wanted to show you a very nice, beautiful watch roll, so a travel watch case that you can go and grab for your Rolex watches. As you can see here, I have my two vintage Rolex watches and my Hamilton khaki field automatic. So here I have a 1940s Rolex Oyster. Then I have, as you can see here, the 1970s Oyster Date, so a very nice watch as well. And then I have the Hamilton khaki field automatic. So these are going to be my three watches, and I keep them in this watch roll made by Dukwin, as you can see right here. This is going to be the blue vegan leather model that they have, a very premium looking and feeling watch roll. It also comes inside this very nice bag, a very soft material that you can use in order to store it, or even when you travel. Here we have the booklet as well. So here you are going to be able to see some of their watch rolls. So the small one, the 2 watch roll, and the 3 watch roll. As you can see, different colors that you can go and grab. And something that I really like about these is that you are going to have a hidden jewelry capsule. So if I were to look right here on the sides, I can actually push this part right here. And here I'm going to have a secret compartment where I can store my jewelry, maybe some extra straps as well. And also these are going to be very easy to remove, and you can take one of your watches. This is going to be the middle part, and you can easily assemble all of them together. You can put on the secret compartment, and then, as you can see, the watches are going to look very, very nice. So if you're looking for a very premium looking feeling as well, watch roll for a very affordable price for your Rolex watches, I would definitely recommend to go and grab this one. It also has a very nice interior, as you can see right here, also signed, and it is going to be very soft here as well. We also have this very nice anti-slipping mechanism. So I'm going to put it just like this, and voila, I can close it. I'm going to hear that snap or feel it, and then I can use this in order to travel with my watches. Then when I arrive, voila, my watches are safe. I really like the fact that the watch crystal, so the watch face, is going to hit the material. If you have, let's say, a lot of turbulence during your flight, your travels, your watches are going to be safe. So make sure to grab one of these. I guarantee you are going to like it, and also you are going to get a lot of quality for the budget, guys. I'm pretty sure you are going to love it.